Look what I got by Amazon. Actually, well, I didn't get the coop as cleaned up as I would have liked to have, but I'm sorry, guys. Just gonna move these boxes. Y'all have a lot of room in here. I have everything locked up tight so that nothing can get in here tonight, and they hopefully won't freak out too much. The dogs are not sure about what's going on. But I didn't get the coop cleaned out as much as I would have liked to have. But I gotta get the shavings still in the nesting boxes. But these are the first chickens, Rhode Island Reds. Some of them are molting a little bit, but they don't look too bad. Hey, ladies. I'm going to turn the light off here in just a minute. Hi, ladies. They're not sure about any of this right yet. But they have... I got this roost down. I figured that would be plenty of room. Plus, there's roosts all along the nesting boxes, which I gotta get in here. I gotta take some time and do this. I do have the door shut. I'll lock them in for the night, so they should be good and secure. Oh, hi, girls. Hi, girls.